morning everybody. Today we are going to continue the previous video, that is exercise number 7C of lines and angles. In this chapter I am just in this video, within this chapter I am just giving another doing the problems, solving the problems, another 3 course. So after that you will be able to solve all the problems. Let's start. Number 16. Number 16, the figure is given. AB is parallel to CD. We need to prove this angle P plus angle Q minus R equal to 180. So here little bit construction is required. Construction, just draw. This is the point through point F. Draw one parallel line parallel to AB or CD. Now see, this proof AE is parallel to SF. So and EF is a transversal. So this angle AEF, angle AEF plus EFG, EFH equal to 180 degree. That is actually co-interior angle. You know co-interior properties of the parallel lines. And this is also this HF is parallel to CD and FG is the transversal. So angle HFG plus angle equal to angle FGD. FG, it is angle FGD. It is angle FG equal to FGD. This is actually HFG. This is actually angle is RD. So it is actually interior alternate. It is interior alternate. Now see, EFH angle is equal to this small angle. This is equal to the bigger angle, that is EFG. It is EFG minus HFG minus HFG. The bigger angle is actually this is actually Q, that is EFG. This angle is Q and this angle is R. So this is Q minus R. Now putting the value, this is the equation number 1 and just put over here. So putting the value over here, that is AEF plus EFH equal to, that is the angle P and this angle is Q plus Q minus R. This is this angle. So this is actually the required to prove and this is proved. Next, number 20. This is also very good problem. Here it is given AB parallel D, BA is parallel to ED and EF is parallel to BC. So we need to prove this angle equal to this angle. That is ABC angle equal to DA. Here construction is there, that is produce DE and it will just intersect BC at G. Okay. Now prove. See, BA is parallel to GD. So and BC is the transversal or BC is the transversal. So this angle equal to this angle because this is corresponding angle. Now once again this is parallel to this, that is EF is parallel to BC and DG is the, so this is the DG is the transversal. So angle DEF equal to angle EGC. So these two angles are also equal. So these are the corresponding angle. Now see, this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. Therefore this angle equal to this angle. Therefore ABC angle equal to BDF angle. Proved. It's related problem. So here we are just doing in maths. Here in this figure, M and N are two mirrors are given. This is actually just inclined at 90 degree or perpendicular to each other. Then one ray, that is the CA is the incident ray, and this is reflected and just coming and reflecting once again from the N mirror to the M mirror at B, and it is coming out, that is BT. So we need to prove that is CA is parallel to BT. This is actually our need to prove. Now here construction is there. At point A and point B, just draw normal to this on this two mirror, and it will just intersect at point P. This is the drawing part. Now prove. We know the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence, this one, that is the angle to the incident ray, and also the normal to the point is the angle of incident, and angle of reflection, it is actually same. So here one angle equal to angle, and one equal to angle 2. In this way, this is also incident ray on this mirror. This is incident ray, this is a reflected ray. The angle 3 equal to angle 4. So within this triangle, this is actually 90 degree. Since this is actually perpendicular to each other, so angle 2 and plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. In this way, if these are angles are also this angle equal to this angle, therefore we can tell that is angle 3 instead of 3 it is 4, and angle 2 is actually 1. This is angle 4 plus angle 1 equal to 90 degree. Now angle CAB plus angle ABD. What is actually that? See, CAB, this is 1 plus 1, that is 90. And angle ABC, that is 3 plus 4, this is also 90 degree. So these two angles actually measurement is 180 degree. Now what is actually the conclusion? This, if these angles are the co-interior angles, sum of co-interior angles are equal to 180 degree. And for this reason you can just say that is CA is parallel to BD, and this is actually our required this is our required proof. So try to solve all these problems as well as the rest of the problems. I do believe you can just solve within yourself. If you have any problem, please refer to my WhatsApp number 98300816667. Thank you very much.